guys, this is Aman from Tech Unwind 9. Today we have something special for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you for coming on to my channel and watching this video. We have a few products. I thank all my believers in believing in me. We have something that's Apple related today, guys. We have the new iPhone in the new color. Okay, we have the 13 Pro Max, guys. Get excited in the Pacific blue. Look at this, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. Check that out. Beautiful color. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna talk a little about it, guys. Okay, check this color out. This is amazing. We have the phone, we have a leather case for it, black leather case, and then we have the MagSafe charger for it that we're going to be unboxing. All three in this video. Just subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. It really helps out my channel. I do this with my own money. Here we go. Let's get this started. Beautiful color, guys. Okay, so check out this box, guys. The box is smaller this year. Okay, they definitely skimped out on a lot of things, but this is a different way to open the case now. The tab is actually hidden, as you guys can tell. So let's open it up. Let's open up this bad boy and take a look what's inside here. Okay, here we go. All right, let's get that. Okay, it's a little tricky. We'll get it. Here we go. Subscribe to me, guys. Go ahead. It's so easy. Just hit the subscribe button. Come on, you can do it. Here we go. Open this up. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's look at this color, guys. Ooh, wow. Man, that is beautiful. Okay, so now this is a brand new color, guys. This color has not come out last year in the 12 Pro Max. It was a different color. It was a little bit darker. This is very subtle and I feel like it's really beautiful. It's almost like a slate. Oh man, this is some premium stuff right here. Very heavy phone. Okay, guys, I'll tell you right off the bat, very heavy, and I kind of like it, to be honest. Okay, all right, so what else comes in the box? Let's take a look. So we have the usual books and information, then we have the SIM ejector tool, and then we have that Apple logo. You know what, we should get the Apple logo in the color of the phone. Apple, stop cheating, just give it to us, please. Now we got the USB-C to Lightning. Okay, it's still not USB-C to USB-C, but you know what, it is what it is. Apple hasn't gone away from that yet. They're still trying to make a little bit of money from us. But come on, it's time. You have everything else with USB-C. You might as well give us an iPhone with USB-C at this point. This is my favorite part. Check this out, guys. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? How beautiful is this phone, guys? Oh my goodness. I feel like this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. I'm already getting some fingerprints on here. Definitely on the sides. It's not shiny stainless steel, guys. It is basically a blue color. Okay, you can't see all of it, but definitely there's a blue tint to it. It's really subtle, but really nice. Check out those cameras on the side, guys. Massive cameras on the side over there. You can see right there, they come out a lot. Okay, so keep that in mind when you get this phone. The cameras are massive. The camera bumps are going to definitely show, and if you're one of those people that keeps it on the table without a case, just remember it is going to be bouncing around a little bit when you have it sitting there. Okay, there's a on and off button. There's a lightning cable connection right there, all the speaker ports, and you have the mic down there. There is the Apple logo, guys. This is what we pay $1,500 for this phone, guys. $1,500. Okay, that's just a phone. But think about it, guys. This phone is like a Rolex. Okay, you're holding a piece of craftsmanship. Okay, they put a lot of effort into it. Check out the top, guys. Now the camera bumps and all of that little area where the camera is and then it reads your face is a lot smaller this time. Okay, so when you watch it on the screen, you're gonna see compared to the 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max, the camera bump is a little bit smaller. All right, you can see the cameras in there. All right, so your screen is gonna be a little bit bigger, okay, just because of that. Hello. All right, check out the screen. I can already tell the screen looks much better than my 11 Pro Max, and it's definitely bigger. This is a 6.7-inch screen, guys. It's a freaking mammoth of a screen. Okay, I don't know like if there's another phone that's bigger than this, possibly the Galaxies, but you know what, this is the biggest iPhone you can get at the moment, and I don't know if you're gonna want to get anything bigger than this, because this is, I mean, it fits really good in my hand, but that's because I have pretty good hands, pretty good size hands. But I feel like if it was like a 7-inch phone or a 6.8 or 6.9-inch phone, it wouldn't fit your hands, guys. All right, check out those fingerprints, guys. I really want to show you guys that right there. Okay, you can see automatically. I've only had this in my hands for a few minutes, and it's already getting fingerprints. But I wiped it off, and it looks brand new again. Okay, check that out. And that's not a scratch right there. It just some kind of lint or something on there. But look at how beautiful that looks from the side, guys. This phone would look better, in my opinion, in either a leather case that I have back there, or I would prefer even like a speaking case, a clear speaking case to show off the actual color and the size of this phone, because it's such a pretty phone, guys. All right, no one's gonna have this right away. It's sold out. You know, it's gonna be hard to find. People are not gonna get it for another month and a half. For anybody that's ordering it right now, they're gonna take a while to get it. So not everyone's gonna have it. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. All right. Bottom of the video, it has a subscribe button. Just hit that subscribe button for me. It really helps me out. Let's open up this iPhone case right now and see what it's all about. Okay, here we go. Let's open that up. So this is the leather case. I believe this was a $70 case. $60 or $70. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I'll confirm that for you guys. All right, so this is what I always get. I always get a leather case. 11 Pro Max. I had, I believe I had 2 leather cases for that. I had the blue one, and then I had the saddle brown one. I haven't seen the saddle brown in this one, so I ended up getting this black one. This is compatible with the MagSafe. You can see that ring right there, so it will be working really well with that. Okay, so you can charge it wirelessly through that MagSafe if you like. Okay, you have the Apple written over there, really nice felt. All right, this is going to protect the back of your phone from any scratches. It won't let any debris go in there. And I've always had my phone in a leather case, and I've never had an issue with any scratches. There's the Apple logo embossed inside it. You got the volume up and down rocker there, and also you have the mute button hole punch out right there. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. So we have, all right, when you put the phone in there, you can actually tell that, you know, it makes a sound and it lets you know you put the phone inside there, right? That's really nice. Okay, and then also most of the times it actually shows you the circle popping up to let you know you have a MagSafe charging case on there. By the way, that is very important to know, because you know what, it actually shows you what color case you have. I mean, it's just the attention to detail that Apple does. Okay, when that little circle comes on your screen when you put the phone on the case, it literally tells you what color your case is. That is amazing how Apple does things like that. All right, so let's take a look at this case. How beautiful is this, guys? Look at that leather. I mean, look at the detail at the ends. You cannot tell where the leather actually stops. Here is what it feels like when you put it on the phone on the counter. You can actually see it's protecting the phone, it's protecting the cameras, because the cameras are massive on this thing. So when you drop it on the floor, it will protect your cameras. Also, the front of it is actually protected, so the screen is protected. So if you drop it towards the screen and it falls straight down, it will be protected, guys. Okay, just keep that in mind. So let's go and open up this MagSafe charger, and we'll show you what it does. Okay, I really wanted to show you guys this because this is a new technology that Apple has come out with a few years back. Actually, last year, because last year was the first year they came out with it, because they came out with it with the 12 Pro Max and the 12s. Here we go. So let's open this up. Okay. So you have the MagSafe right here with the wire that comes with it. Okay, it's attached to it. It does not come with a brick again. So if you don't have a brick and you guys are brand new to the Apple ecosystem, you're gonna have to buy one. Okay, I believe it's about $19.99 to buy a brick or something like that. And all of these accessories are fast charging accessories. Just keep that in mind, guys. Okay, so you're not gonna have too much problem with it. It's gonna charge it really, really fast. And this is what it does basically. It attaches to the back of it, and it's a very, very strong magnet. In my opinion, I don't know if I would actually keep this versus plugging it in, but for somebody that's on the go, this would be perfect actually. Always going, you can just unplug it fast and just go. And also, one benefit to this is that you can actually plug it like that and keep using your phone if you get a phone call, versus a wireless charger where you actually put it on top of it. But when you take it off of it in case you get a phone call, you can't charge your phone. So you're gonna have to basically do one or the other. You can't do both, okay? So you're not gonna be able to charge the phone unless you keep it on there and you just use the speaker. But I think that's probably not a good idea. I think this is a little bit better as far as charging it while you're using it. Very, very strong magnet. As you guys can tell right now, I'm doing some tests on it to show you guys how strong it is. Okay, it won't drop easy. Okay, and I hope you guys like this video. I really work hard on these videos for you guys. Definitely subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. Thank you all the believers in believing in me and staying with me since the beginning, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You don't understand. This is something that I'm just doing as a hobby. So thank you for believing and staying true to me till the end, guys. All right, we're gonna make this happen. Take care. Peace.